this video we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As it is known as being popular location, we recommend guide attraction and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and commentators online are arguing guiders to enjoy their stay. Review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. See on the screen reviews like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and usages, etc. To talk about amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen how it's required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts new credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.